Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Rusty Relic Auto Salvage. My hydraulic shipment is almost here, so I'll see you guys as soon as I get the truck unloaded. Alright, package is here. Let's get her unboxed. Alright, got a brand new 12-ton scissor hoist. And we are actually running the electronic pump, kind of like they use in the conventional dump trailers. I did actually try to find a used one, but in my area, by the time you get somebody's crusty old used one, and then you rebuild the cylinder that's leaking everywhere and sandblast it, paint it, it actually came out to about the same amount of money, if not a little bit more. So it was cheaper for me to just go new, and plus this way there's a 3-year warranty on this, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, we got the subframe all blocked off so I don't have to worry about it falling. We got the scissor hoist mocked up right where we're going to want it. I might have to raise that area up just a little bit. I got to do a little bit more measuring, but otherwise it's pretty much perfect. We'll get everything finalized and I can go ahead and start welding. Alright, so we got that all tacked in. I added some more supports. I think, looking at the measurement here, I believe that cross member is going to come into contact with this stuff. So I'm going to have to cut that out, which is okay, because we need to extend the subframe this way anyway. So I think that that cross member has to come out anyway. However, to prevent this from twisting all over the place, we're going to go ahead and add one cross member here, which we need to do anyway, but we're going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then we can cut that one out. Alright, the subframe's set down. Got this all clamped up. And we got this clamped up. We're ready to go ahead and tack weld that. Then we'll tack weld this side. I think we'll go ahead and move on to the hydraulic lines. We'll get the tank mounted where it needs to go. Do some tests just to make sure everything's good before I final weld everything in. Well, apparently I forgot to hit record. We got that all welded. We got that corner piece welded in, so that way it's got something to rest on. The other side's fully welded. Now I'm just adding in some little gussets that we had. Alright, that's burned in on either side. Same with this. We got that cross member fully welded in, and then I doubled up on the one back there. Kind of hard to see. So not that one, but the one further back. Just to kind of stiffen this up a little bit. We're going to add one more further down. And then we'll be able to pick this up, final weld everything. But at this point, it's getting late, so we're going to go ahead and hit this back up first thing in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We're back. Everything's a little frosty this morning. That's alright, let's start with the hydraulic. Well, I didn't film this part because I figured it'd be really boring, and I really don't want to bore you guys. But I got all the hydraulic hoses ran. I got my cables on. I'm about to go get a battery, and then we'll go ahead and test it out. So I didn't film bleeding the system out, but again, I didn't want to bore you guys. But I got it all mounted. System's all bled. I realized my dump angle wasn't quite what I wanted. So we're going to raise up the subframe up here. That also dropped these down just a little bit, and I think that'll get us right on the money where we need to be. I just needed a couple degrees more. Plus, that'll be nice. I won't have to cut the tops of these anymore. We can just weld them in solid and send them packing. Looks like the ink cap controls work perfect. So in our next video, we're going to finish up the fab work on this. We're going to get the lights mounted. We're going to get a DOT bumper built. I just noticed that is sticking just a little bit, so I need to grind down those corners. So we'll get that taken care of. We need to add a couple of cross members, extend the subframe out about 4 feet, and get these tied down. But that, of course, is all for the next video. Alright guys, that does it for this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and share with your friends. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Later.